In this video, I want to fix a bug that seems to be happening regarding the interaction system. So currently, you can see everything is working fine. However, if we look really quickly at the perform UI sweep, where we're doing, that constant delay, we do have a U object here that we are creating, and it has a delay to it. So the only thing I could think of that would be causing this to basically quit working is garbage collection. So, well, actually, as I just tab back in, you can see it has stopped. So the way we can test this to make sure is let's go hit play. Everything is working. And if I type in gc.force garbage collection every frame to 1, and then I walk away, you can see the message is stuck. So that means it is garbage collection related. Okay, so to begin, let's go ahead and just simply move this to the header. Let's go down here, make a U property, and we want it to be a T object pointer, like so, and then forward declare. So once we have that, let's go ahead and set it like so. And the way we can kind of see is if garbage collection is cleaning it up, we go to uAbility task, there is on destroy, and you can kind of see like it goes through and kind of clears stuff out. So it basically has no actual callback or anything that it can fire. So it just kind of goes away, so to speak. So let's restart the editor, recompile, and relaunch. Okay, once we are back in the editor, we can give this another try. So we can see everything is working. Let's go ahead and force garbage collection, and we can see it is still working. So it was garbage collection related. So I just wanted to go ahead and get that fix out of the way because it was getting a little bit annoying not having it be presented. And that also explains why, when we would press F, that it would still work because we are still calling perform sweep when we actually press our interact key. So that'll be all for this video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.